5 SEO titles. 1. Copy and paste side hustle 2026. Make money online as a complete beginner. 2. Best copy and paste side hustle in 2026. 3. How to start a copy and paste side hustle in 2026. 4. Copy and paste side hustle for beginners 2026. AI plus affiliate marketing. 5. Make money online with a copy and paste side hustle in 2026. Copy and paste side hustle 2026. If you've been searching for the best copy and paste side hustle in 2026 and wondering whether it's actually possible to make money online without creating your own products, building complicated websites, learning coding, or spending thousands of dollars on advertising, then you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how a copy and paste side hustle works, why so many beginners are using AI tools to speed up the process, and how affiliate marketing and faceless content are creating one of the biggest opportunities online right now. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to show you the exact workflow beginners are using, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how you can get access to the same tools, templates, and systems that dramatically shorten the learning curve. Now, before we get started, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, faceless content library, training, dashboards, and business-in-a-box system I mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. Also, if you enjoy videos about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, side hustles, and making money online, hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications because I post new tutorials every week. Now let's jump into it. So what exactly is a copy and paste side hustle? A lot of people hear the term copy and paste side hustle and think it means copying random content from the internet. That's not what we're talking about. A copy and paste side hustle is simply using proven systems, templates, tools, and ready-made assets that allow you to move much faster than creating everything from scratch. Instead of spending hours creating content, writing emails, designing graphics, and researching ideas, you're leveraging tools that help automate much of the process. For example, ready-made content, AI-generated hooks, AI-generated scripts, done-for-you email templates, faceless video libraries, affiliate landing pages, and content automation systems. This dramatically reduces the amount of time needed to get started. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons copy and paste side hustles are exploding in 2026. Now let's talk about the actual business model, because this is where things get interesting. The model combines three powerful trends. Number 1, AI. Number 2, faceless content. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You post content. People consume the content. Some viewers click your affiliate links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no product creation, no complicated websites. You're simply connecting traffic with offers. And depending on the offer, commissions can be substantial. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions beginners have is thinking they need advanced technical skills. That's simply not true anymore. Thanks to AI, many tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. Today, AI can help create video ideas, scripts, hooks, captions, voiceovers, titles, thumbnails, and even complete faceless videos. That's why AI is changing the game for beginners. And honestly, creators who embrace AI today have a huge advantage over those who don't. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. The good news is that you don't need paid advertising to get started. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels are all aggressively pushing short-form content. That means even brand new creators can get views. You don't need a huge following. You don't need a personal brand. You don't even need to show your face. And that's why this copy and paste side hustle model is becoming so attractive to beginners. Now let's talk about faceless content, because this is where many people get excited. A lot of people want to make money online, but don't want to become influencers. They don't want friends, family, coworkers, or clients seeing their videos. Faceless content solves that problem. You can create content using stock footage, motivational clips, text animations, slideshows, AI visuals, screen recordings, AI voiceovers, and ready-made reels. The audience never sees your face, yet your content can still generate traffic, leads, and commissions. Inside the system linked in the pinned comment, there are over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels available. Instead of spending hours creating videos, beginners can start posting immediately. And that's one of the reasons this copy and paste side hustle works so well. If you want access to those reels and AI tools, click the link in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons most people fail. They spend all their time researching. Think about it. Most people watch video after video after video. They join Facebook groups, they read articles, they compare opportunities, they ask questions, but they never actually take action. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing. Every piece of content teaches them something. Every post gives them feedback. Every video improves their skills. The fastest way to learn is through action, not through endless research. That's why consistency beats perfection every single time. Now let's talk about the AI viral hook and script generator. This is one of my favorite tools, because one of the biggest challenges beginners face is figuring out what to post. They sit there staring at a blank screen wondering, what should I talk about? What should my title be? What should my hook be? What should I post today? The AI generator solves that problem. It helps create hooks, scripts, captions, titles, content ideas, and marketing angles. Instead of spending an hour brainstorming, you can generate ideas in minutes. This dramatically speeds up content creation. And honestly, that's one of the reasons AI-powered side hustles are growing so quickly. Now, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people looking for copy and paste side hustles in 2026. And don't forget to subscribe, because I post new videos every week on affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. Now let's talk about scalability. This is where things become really interesting. Most traditional side hustles don't scale. If you're driving for rideshare apps, delivering food, or doing hourly work, you're trading time for money. When you stop working, the income stops. But content can continue generating traffic long after you post it. A video you post today could still be generating views next month or next year. One reel can become 10 reels. One platform can become 4 platforms. One commission can become many commissions. And that's why content-based businesses have so much upside. Now let's talk about repurposing content, because this is another huge advantage. Many beginners think they need unique content for every platform. You don't. One video can be posted to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. That means one piece of content can generate traffic from multiple sources simultaneously. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and commissions. Now let's talk about the daily workflow, because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow might look like this. Log into the dashboard, choose a faceless reel, generate a hook using AI, generate a caption, upload content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat daily. That's it. Simple consistency. Most people overcomplicate this process. The creators winning right now are simply showing up every day. Now let's talk about follow-up, because most people don't buy the first time they see something. That's why email follow-up is important. Inside the system are done-for-you email swipe templates. Instead of writing emails yourself, you can use proven templates that help automate communication and save time. This allows beginners to focus on traffic and consistency. Now here's the truth. There is no magic button. There is no overnight success formula, but there are proven systems. And there are shortcuts that help beginners move faster. That's exactly why copy and paste side hustles are so popular. They remove friction, they simplify the process, and they allow beginners to focus on execution. Now, if you're serious about starting a copy and paste side hustle in 2026 and want access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, dashboards, templates, training, landing pages, and automation systems mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now. That's where you can get instant access and start today. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know. I'd love to hear your goals. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting more videos about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. If you made an extra $200 per day, what would you do with it first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.